create a space using this part, the ass. When you arrive, shoulder blade, hip, and heel. When you pivot, arrive here. Tanguero, always try to collect to make it clean to transfer weight. You can accompany the lady or you can stay. Accompany the lady and stay. Accompany the lady and stay. But don't ever try to do like this. You want to open this one is because maybe you want to change the speed. It's for advance. Clear? Shoulder blade. For Tanguero, don't use too much the hand. Even close embrace. I pull my left shoulder blade, not my shoulder. My shoulder blade. My back. I pull and I follow. If I pull this side, she ends up from here. Ocho adelante.